India magazine. You're watching the weekly roundup where you will find the top stories in the data and analytics ecosystem in India. So let's get started. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has introduced TorchRec, an open source library for building state-of-the-art recommendation systems under PyTorch at Inside the Lab event. The new library provides common sparsity and parallelism primitives, enabling researchers to build new personalization models and deploy them in production. Google has announced the general availability of Dataflex, an intelligent data fabric that enables you to centrally manage, monitor, and govern data across data lakes, data warehouses, and data marts, and make this data securely accessible to a variety of analytics and data science tools. Now, Dataflex will allow enterprises to delegate ownership, usage, and sharing of data and provide a single unified interface to consistently monitor and govern data across data domains. The Advertising Standards Council of India has released guidelines for promotion and advertising of crypto and NFTs with a view to protect consumers from misleading and exploitative ads. The guidelines include that all exchanges and products should begin with the disclaimer. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. All crypto and NFT related ads in the print, audio, and video formats should carry the disclaimer starting from April 1, 2022. Microsoft, Azure, and research teams are working to build a new AI infrastructure service called Singularity. A paper published by the group working on the project has released details about the new AI platform. Now, Microsoft has described Singularity as a new AI platform service ground up from scratch that will become a major driver for AI both inside Microsoft and outside. Essentially, Singularity will allow hundreds and thousands of GPUs and AI accelerators to function together. Researchers at DeepMind have open sourced DM21, a neural network model for mapping electron density to chemical interaction energy, a critical component of quantum mechanical modeling. Now, DM21 outperforms standard models on various benchmarks. DM21 uses a neural network to approximate the energy function component of density functional theory, which describes the quantum mechanical behavior of molecules. The Indian Institute of Technology will establish its first branch outside India in UAE as a part of India-UAE trade deal signed on Feb 18. The Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement signed between UAE and India will usher in a new phase of joint strategic cooperation in all sectors. Now, the agreement was signed after a virtual summit held with an agenda to boost trade and investment between both countries and usher in a new era of economic progress. GitHub has launched a machine learning powered code scanning analysis feature to remove the common security vulnerabilities before it moves to production. The scanner will detect patterns like cross-site scripting, path injection, NoSQL injection, and SQL injection. This feature is now available in public beta. Moving on to fundings and acquisitions. Wipro Limited has formed a joint go-to-market partnership with Palo Alto-based startup vFunction. The partnership will reinforce Wipro's full-stride cloud services position as a leading provider of digital transformation solutions and further Wipro's commitment to accelerating cloud innovation for clients. Wipro is investing over $1 billion over the next 3 years to build the capabilities of Wipro full-stride cloud services. Accelerator Startup Bay has invested $1.2 million in the seed round for Pune-based robotics firm Rocket's AI seed funding round for a 10% stake. Rocket AI combines low-code, no-code, robotic process automation and AI to help businesses in their digital transformation and accelerate user growth, sales, and customer profiling. Bharti Airtel has acquired a strategic stake in blockchain technology startup Aquilus as a part of its Startup Accelerator program. The Indian network carrier plans to deploy Aquilus's advanced blockchain in its AdTech, digital entertainment, and digital marketplace businesses. Singapore-based Aquilus has developed a patented hybrid blockchain platform, Atom, to integrate differential privacy and federated learning on a distributed digital ledger. Noida-based robotics startup Advent Technologies has closed a deal with a robot order worth $1 billion with Reliance Retail. The order is for robots with 5G technology and will be spread across 4 to 5 years. Now, the robots will be deployed to Reliance's Industries Jamnagar refinery and will be remote controlled by RIL from Mumbai. Just last month, Reliance Retail bought a 54% stake in the intra-logistics automation provider for $132 million. Capgemini revenue is up 14.6% in 2021. The company's net profit rose 21% to 1,157 million euros in 2021. Capgemini's group's total headcount is also up by 20% year-on-year. Digital and cloud services, which account for around 65% of Capgemini's activity, accelerated steadily throughout the year, reporting strong double-digit growth at a constant exchange rate. That's all for today. Keep watching this space for more updates. Thank you.